Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video. So we are going to be cleaning brushes and talking about this year, the year to come, and all my plans. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. I am going to be using my Cinema Secrets and a solo cup. That's what Nicole Guerrero said she does. She puts some in a solo cup like that, not too much, and then you use a, is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. You just use a towel and you dip your brush into that. I have all these brushes laid out in front of me, which is crazy because I have all of these brushes that need cleaning too. So I won't make you guys watch me do the whole thing because you're mostly here for the talk. And the talk is my diet and exercise plan, my channel growth plan, hopefully. So anyways, I'll show you how I do it. She said you just see, this is a dirty brush. And I'm just going to dip it just barely, so just the tip gets in there. And then I let it drip off, and then you take it and you rub it on a towel. And this should take about 4 hours at this rate, because I have a lot of brushes and they all need to be cleaned. But as you can see, it does a wonderful job. I'll show you this one I just did a little bit ago. This is my blush brush that I always use in the Dallas brush, and it was like completely brown. And it's beautiful now. So yeah, I did a couple of brushes because I was going to use them, but then I read it because when I was using it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so strong. Then it said you have to let them dry completely. But since I have my makeup on, we're good. So yeah, you just keep rubbing it till it's all clean. And then I got a lot on there, so I probably will take some of these brushes that are not as dirty and just rub them right into the spot where I have the stuff. And I don't even need to dip them, because this one didn't have too much on it. And it's clean. And I didn't even dip that one. So let's try this little dual fiber. It's pretty dirty though. It's probably going to need dipping. But we'll try it without. It's getting there, but I think I will dip it just a little bit. I don't know if I even got it in there. Now I did. So anyways, as far as my diet and exercise plan, I have been eating basically, I don't know when I started, but I know I started on Thanksgiving. I ate on Thanksgiving and I pretty much ate for the whole month. And I have just gone completely crazy over Christmas. But I'm done with that now because today is the 26th. It's the day after Christmas. And I haven't had anything all day. And so I'm going to fast all day today, and then I'm going to eat tomorrow, and I'm going to try and do alternate day fasting for the week until I go to California. And then once I get to California, I'm going to try and just do regular fasting, intermittent fasting, where I fast for 18 hours or so, and then eat pretty much whatever I want. Katie is gluten-free. And I don't think she eats much sugar, so it shouldn't be too hard. The kids, though, I don't know how she does it. Those kids, they eat junk. So anyways, that's my plan. And as far as exercising, I am sick of exercising. I want to get my diet under control enough that all I have to do is occasional cardio, like a run, because I feel like I'm too old to be running. It hurts my body. And so I just want to get fit, and then I just want to do yoga so that I keep my body toned and flexible and young, because that's my main thing. It's like right now, after eating for a whole month, every time I stand up, everything hurts. I have to stay like bent over and get up slow, and that is bad. I was never like that before. Well, I was when I was pretty heavy, when I was really into full-blown menopause and I couldn't lose weight for anything. I weighed more than I've ever weighed, and then I couldn't move either. It was everything hurt, and that's what's happening right now. So hopefully it's only going to take a few days to clear that up, because I'm not going to be eating all that wheat and corn and just all that bad stuff that I have been eating for the last month. So that is my plan for my weight loss, is to just do my intermittent fasting. I will do occasional cardio just because I think it's good for your heart. And I probably will do slow runs, not slow runs, but hit runs, so that you go slow, a little bit faster, and then a full-blown for a minute, and then back down to slow. And that way I can get a good 20-minute run in, and I won't have to do it again for at least a week or less. I am so tired of it. I keep thinking, I am too old for this. I should be fit, or I should be okay. But I feel like every time I stop exercising completely, that I can just feel my body's degenerating. So I have to exercise. But I'm hoping that yoga, if I just do my yoga every day, I will be fine, and I will stay flexible, and I will stay young, and I hopefully will get fit too. I don't know. Some people say you never lose weight on yoga, and I know that diet is 95% of weight loss. So I figure if I can get my food under control again and keep it that way, that's the thing. I can get it under control. I just can't stick to it. And it only takes one cheat for me to think, ooh, that was really good. And I know that food does not make me happy. So I have to force myself to do it right. I'm not getting any brushes done this way, talking to you guys like this. But we're just going to keep going. Oh, I got way too much on that one. I mean, I only went down to about there. Can you see this? No. I only went down to about there, but that's way more than I need. So anyway, we're just gonna keep on cleaning. Look how fast this thing comes clean. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it didn't take long at all. Just have to keep, oops, making them stand up. This one looks pretty dirty. This was a blush brush for a while. I mean, it's still a blush brush, but I just don't reach for it. And then, see my shirt? What does it say? It says, hustle. That is my motto for this year, for my channel. I need to hustle. I need to get all my numbers up. And I can do it. I know I can do it. I was supposed to watch a webinar today on brand deals, and my internet was so bad. Oh, I was going to tell you guys that too. The reason the vlog didn't go up on Wednesday, oh my gosh, it was crazy. I decided to wait to put it up on Wednesday. Usually I always put it up the night before so that it's up and all I have to do is add the thumbnails and the tags. But I decided I wanted to get Christmas in it, so I thought I'll just film in the morning and then I'll edit it and get it up in the afternoon. It'll use part of my data, but that's okay. I don't do it very often, so it should be fine. It wasn't. For one thing, I started vlogging on my phone. And because I see Jam Beauty 89, I see everybody using their phone for their vlogging. I don't know what how they do it, because I also know that Jam Beauty 89 uses Final Cut Pro to edit with, and that's what I use. My videos that I make on my phone will not go into Final Cut Pro. And I've watched videos on how to do it and everything, and it doesn't work. It just won't go in. So what I have to do with every single, and I had a ton of them for this vlog, I had to play them on my computer, because they'll transfer to my computer. They just won't go into Final Cut Pro. So I had to play them in QuickTime, screen record them, and then import those into Final Cut, drag and drop them into Final Cut Pro. And then I had to reduce them because they had the, the desktop stuff, the toolbar and everything. So it was a heck of an ordeal. Plus I spent hours trying to figure out how to get them to go in from my phone. Couldn't figure it out. Still haven't figured it out. But luckily most of the videos that I take on my phone are short clips. So it was, it was still a pain. And then when I started to upload it in the afternoon, it was probably 6 o'clock. Normally I put my videos up at 6 o'clock in the evening Central Time. And it was like 6 o'clock when I finished editing and everything. And I went to upload it. I knew it was going to take a while. And 2 hours later, it was 6% uploaded. So basically, I just had to let it sit there overnight. And by morning, it was uploaded. And then this morning, when I tried to put the tags in it, they wouldn't go in. My internet was messed up again. So that's why it took so long to get that up. Just so you know. Lots and lots of technical problems, which I have not solved. I mean, at least now I know I can get them in there. And I'll just have to use my vlog camera more, but that's the reason I got the new phone with the great camera, was so I could use it for vlogging. Because half the time I forget to use my camera. Sometimes I forget to take it, but a lot of times I take it and then I leave it in the car. Where if I could use my phone, I'd get a lot more footage for you guys. So, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So, now you know everything. I don't even think that one's dirty. Some of these I don't think need to be cleaned. But a lot of them do. So I just need to find the dirty ones. That one's dirty. This stuff is great. You know what I need to start doing is the eye ones. They're the ones that are filthy. These ones I usually use, like I pick a brush for a certain product and then I use that brush for it all the time, so I don't need to clean it very often. But my eye brushes I have to clean all the time because I use the same brushes. So let's get out some smaller brushes over here. Start doing them. Oh, and this guy, it needs to be cleaned, although it's one that I use for the same stuff all the time too. It's for cream contour. And I don't always use the same one. I have 3 or 4 of them. So I have to clean it more. Although I do, when I use cream contour, I usually get stuck on one for a while and then I go to another one. This is loose. I need to fix it. It hasn't fallen off. It's hard to fix until it falls off. All right, let's pick out my favorite brushes here. They're probably over here. These two, and I don't need that one. That one, and this one. And my big one of these is missing. I don't know where it is. I don't know how it could have got lost, because it's not like I carry my brushes around, but I can't find it. I was searching for it earlier and I can't find it. I have a lot of dirty brushes. But I only want my favorites because this is taking forever. I don't even know what I used that one for, but it's dirty. See if we can just get it clean on what's already on the towel. Oh yeah, it's working. That was good. This is the one I just used today for this green stuff. And it is coming right off. Let's see. See if my Morphe ones will come clean too with this. I had 2 white Morphe ones. I wonder what happened to them. Oh, there's one of them. And this one I used to love. And there's another one. And this one. What is this? Oh, I like that one too. I forgot about all these because they've been dirty for so long. Okay, I'm going to clean these brushes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell me what your goals are for this year. And if you have diet and exercise goals, I would love to hear those too. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!